Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we got you this piece of plastic, plain on top, and a trigger. See what we can do with this. The PSN's been down for a while, so I'm gonna try and trick shot. Go. 1, 2, 3. Well, that kind of worked, I guess. Now let's try to flip the gun over. Let's go. Oh, this is what happens when you try and trick shot with a toy from Walmart. I'm trying to figure out like some stuff to do. You know, PSN's been down for a while. And here's one thing that you can do. Okay, and another thing is, just go like to Walmart or whatever, like you go to mostly, and then throw that on the floor. Or get a skateboard or whatever you like to do. Like I skateboard and I BMX, mostly skateboard. So just bring your skateboard. I got it. Right. Bring your skateboard and then do this. Just go around. You can go with a friend. Like a lot of people like to skate with a friend like me. My friend's not over right now. So that's what like usually do. And I'm not the best skater out there. You see? Trying to vlog while skating doesn't work. But not the best skater ever, but I'm pretty decent. I can ollie and grab, but a lot of you guys can keep watching if you're a skater. So there's two stuff. Another thing to do is, I don't know, I like getting sticks and then launching them. Like, look what you can do. I just act like there's tomahawks or throwing knives, like this one. And then watch TV, sit down and sleep, or like you can watch TV for something, sit down and sleep, whatever you guys want. Just do what you guys enjoy, you know what I mean? But hope this video helped you, and see you. Yeah.